Hey, what's up, y'all? I know it's been a while since I did a video, at least on my bike. I've been on my page, my other page, mostly. But what's up? What's up? That's my kids. Yo, huh? I can't hear you. Open the door right here. I can hear you. This vent right here going. Alright. So as y'all can see, man, I got this whole bitch taken apart, and this is me putting it back together. The purpose of this video is to show y'all how to put your engine back in without a lift, without any help. I got sons and shit, but I ain't gonna call them lazy, but they didn't want to help me, you know what I mean? So what I did was, look under here. Hold on. I sat my engine on the brick. Y'all see that? Alright, engine on the brick by itself. The bike, wheels off, everything with weight off. So you see I got everything disconnected, all my brake lines, brakes is off, everything off, right? All the plastic off. So when you do that, your bike is light. It's maybe only, the frame is what, 100 pounds maybe, if that. So basically I sat the engine right here, tilted the bike up on its front forks, grabbed right here on my bar where the, I don't know what it's called, I guess the bar where the your rear wheel goes, and I was lifting from here, and I pretty much just lift the bike onto my engine. And so next I'm gonna have to figure out how to get the wheels on from here, but at least I got the engine, and I will show y'all, you know, an actual video of me doing it. But as you can see, I already got the bolts put in, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to take it off just yet. Well, I don't want to take it off again, just to show y'all that. But like I said, man, real quick video. Basically what I did, man, I took out the engine, changed my tranny dogs, put a new clutch in there, put what else I do? New swing arm. And mind you, people, that swing arm was not chrome when I got it. Ask me how I did it, right? Looks pretty good, which I think, I don't know if y'all can see it in the light, but I pretty much just polished it up. It looked like this one. This is the old swing arm. And as you can see, like the shit coming through right here, if you get you a sander, you can sand all of this off. Just what I did. Sand all of that off, and then get you like what grade? I know you're definitely going to need like a 1200, a 800, a 600, and maybe a 200. So come in with a heavy sander, heavy grit sander, sand off all the black, and then you just slowly go up your grades, your grits, till you finally get to that 1200 grit, 1400 grit, somewhere around there. I think that's the highest one. It might have been a 2000, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. You know, the higher grain you go, the more shiny and more polished your chrome will look. So I stopped, I believe, around 1200 to 1400, but you know, don't quote me on that. Like I said, you can get it as shiny as you want, man. It could be almost mirror tint. Now, mind you, it's a little dirty and oily and shit, because you know I'm working on it, so I'm gonna have to come back and polish it up real quick. But you know, that'll just simply be wiping you know, this smut and shit off. Oh, goddamn! Oh, I almost dropped my bike. See what I be putting up for y'all, man, doing for y'all, man. So yeah, do swing on. Painted all my brake calipers red. Got some new tires under there. Little red lines on them. I'm gonna put lights underneath the underneath my frame, so the underside of the bike, inside of the bike glows red. Red calipers, red, like you said, red trim on the tires. What else I did? New throttle body, because I don't know if y'all could tell, I had crashed my shit. My shit was all beat up. So new throttle body. I was thinking about changing the lights, but I think I'm gonna keep them. What else I do? I think that's about it, man. But like I say, the main purpose of this video was to just tell y'all, you don't need a lift or some kind of crazy jack setup to get the engine in. Now again, you know, like I told y'all before, man, it's not so much about being the best mechanic, but it's just about having common sense and being able to think outside the box. So I honestly have no idea at this point how I'm going to get the bike up to get that back wheel in. But probably have my boys help me lift the back throw the back wheel in, you know, and sit it up. Throw the front wheel in, sit it up. Put my kickstand on, because I took that off, so ain't nothing over there. Put my kickstand on, and at least I can stand it up and do everything from there. That's what I'm intending to do. But like I said, I've searched for ways, because I don't have I have a jack, but like I said, I didn't want to fuck around with the jack and drop something, or I don't have a lift, and I don't have a stand for my bike. So this is a way you can get it in, get your engine in without a stand or anything. You know, I used a brick that was laying in my backyard, but you could probably use, you know, anything, pieces of wood, you know, anything that won't break when you put the weight of the bike on it. So put the engine on there, back up so y'all can see. Put the engine on the block and pretty much lift the bike, because the bike is light, and lift the bike onto the engine. Alright, I'm gonna close out now, man. Like I said, it's just a quick video. I'm gonna start doing a little bit more. Like I've done a lot of work on this bike myself, you know what I'm saying? Like I literally know nothing about any bike except for mine. Like I could probably build my bike from scratch, but if your bike had a problem, I would have no idea what to do with it. So you know, as I look for videos and things like that to help me fix my bike, and I don't see the videos to fix it, then I'll just, you know, as I come up with my own way, I'll just upload it to y'all. Man, excuse the mess, man. I had a brick little grill right here, smoker and grill, that collapsed with the weather. But yeah, that's about it, man. Put your engine on a block, something stable, lift the bike onto it, and then like I said, you can figure the rest out there. At least you got the engine in. That's the hardest part. So yeah, man, I'm show y'all what I do when I get done. I brought all new plastic for it, so y'all will see that. I wrapped the plastic in excuse me, my bad. I wrapped the plastic in the vinyl wrap on plastic. I'll show y'all that when I get it on. And then I hydro dip. I don't know what it's called. The tank. So you can pick any color, any design you want. And if you got a bucket big enough to dunk whatever you're trying to cover, man, that's the way to go. Honestly, if I had bought the vinyl first, and had I known how good the hydro printing was, I would have hydro printed the whole bike. Honestly, if I had a fucking tub big enough to fit this whole bike in, bro, I would hydro print the entire bike. I would just dip the whole bike in something like fire, like I don't know for real, but I will find something crazy to do with it. Maybe I'll buy a tub later. You know, I don't even know if they make a tub big enough for a bike, but I don't know. Maybe next time I break her down, I'll hydro dip everything and either go like a bowling ball metallic purple, or like just flames all on the actual frame of the bike, and you don't have to paint it. So look that up, y'all. Hydro printing. That shit dope. I'll show that to y'all later. Like I said, I don't feel like going inside and getting the tank out of the house. But yeah. Anyway, y'all be easy, man. I appreciate y'all. Sorry it's been so long. But you know, I've been riding, so I ain't been having time to shoot videos and shit. And this winter I decided to just break her down and go ahead and get everything fixed up. I had for y'all, those of y'all who do wheelies and shit a lot, you know that the second gear burns out. So, you know what I'm saying, for about the last year I've been riding with no second gear. So I come in first, get the RPMs up, and just jump up to third, which is, you know, hood, ratchet, dangerous. So I figured with this downtime, man, just go ahead and change my shit out, change the dogs out. And like I said, man, I'll be back and let y'all know how it look and how she sound when she start up. All right.